Hi everybody, my name is Antonio Ruiz from the University of Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, Canary Island, Spain. I am currently working as a senior lecturer in the Faculty of Veterinary Science at the Veterinary Parasitology Unit. Gout is the main livestock in the Canary Island, and this is why our research group has been working during the last 25 years in different parasitic diseases of this ruminant host. We have performed different studies on epidemiology, pathology, immunology, and also therapy and control. The goal in all cases is to reduce or to improve the animal welfare and health, and then to minimize the economical losses attributed to this parasitic disease in the goat industry. In relation to the thematic working group 1, we are currently conducting molecular epidemiological studies in cryptosporidiosis of different ruminant hosts, goats, sheep, and cattle, trying to identify different isotypes, zoonotic isotypes that can be transmitted to human. Then we consider that this approach can be transferred to our regions. In relation to thematic group 6, we are investigating different strategies for control of parasitic disease, mainly coccidiosis and helminthiasis. These strategies include phytotherapy and immunoprophylaxis, that is, the use of vaccines. All these approaches can be also extended to our regions, in this case in the context of One Health approach.